Good day everyone, I am Gia Samantha Aikiki, a first year BS in English student from J1, and today I will be doing a language analysis of one of Selena Gomez's song entitled Who Says. So I chose this song because it is one of my favorite songs. I love how it reminds me of my worth, and it also boosts a little bit of my confidence. So this video will be divided into 5 categories. So first is we will identify the sentence structure, the parts of speech, the phrase or clause, the word formation, and the grammar observation. Now, let's start with the sentence structure. So first, we have a simple sentence. So a simple sentence is a sentence that has one subject and one verb. So in the lyrics, we have I wouldn't wanna be anybody else. I wouldn't wanna be anybody else. No, is an example of simple sentence because it mentioned one subject, I, and one verb phrase, wouldn't wanna be, making it a simple sentence. So it is a simple sentence itself because it can stand alone as a complete thought. No? Now, let us proceed to the compound sentence. So a sentence that joins two simple sentences together using a coordinated conjunction as what we all know, fanboys. So in the lyrics, we have you made me insecure and you told me I wasn't good enough. This is a compound sentence because it joins two independent clauses. The you made me insecure, which is an independent clause, and then you told me I wasn't good enough, an independent clause. No, so and it also uses a coordinating conjunction and to connect the two independent clauses, making it a compound sentence. And now, let us proceed to the complex sentence. So we have here a complex sentence from the lyrics. So when it comes to me, I wouldn't want to be anybody else. So this is a complex sentence because it contains dependent clause, which is the when it comes to me. When it comes to me is a independent clause, and the I wouldn't want to be anybody else is an independent clause, making it a complex sentence. And also, if you don't notice, this sentence uses the subordinating conjunction when, no? So, subordinating conjunction is used in complex sentences, no? To connect the two clauses, the dependent and independent clause. So, which now that we are done with the sentence structure, let's move on to the parts of speech. So, based on the song, I identify few words now that are nouns, the pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. So these words are visible, or it can be noticed in the lyrics. So first we have the noun. So a noun, we all know that a noun is the name of the people, or if people, things, places, or ideas. So the following words are the nouns that I identify in the lyrics. First, we have the beauty, life, truth, diamond, star, movie, and movies. So these nouns represents the main idea or images being described in the lyrics. Next, we have the pronouns. So the song also mentioned 3 pronouns. The pronoun I, you, and me. The pronoun shows relationship between the speaker and the listener. And the third one is we have the verb. A verb is an action word. So the following are the action words mentioned in the lyrics. So the first one is judge, made, says, keep, and touch. So these words indicate what is happening or what is someone is doing. Now let's proceed to the adjective, a word that describes a noun. So in the lyrics, I identify few words such as beautiful, good, perfect, worth it, insecure, and funny. So these words expresses feelings and opinions, making the description more vivid and emotional. And lastly, we have adverbs. So the lyrics mentioned a few adverbs. So we have never, just, really, and enough. So these words add depth to how actions and descriptions are understood in the lyrics. So now that let's proceed to the phrase or clause. So when we say phrase, this is the group of words without a subject and a verb. So in the lyrics, I identify a one. So the we have a diamond in a rough. So it is a so I can say that it is a phrase because it is a group of words that works together, but it does not have both the subject, which is the person or things that doing the action, and the verb, which is the action itself. Since it does not have an action, it cannot stand alone as a complete thought, which make it a phrase. On the other hand, we have clauses or clause, a group of words with a subject and a verb. So in the lyrics, we have who says you are not perfect. Okay, so this sentence contains a, or this clause contains a subject, which is the who is talking about, and the verb, which is the says. So followed by a noun clause is functioning as the object. You are not perfect. So the clauses expresses a complete thought in this context. Now, at this juncture, let us analyze the word formation in the lyrics. So I have prepared to identify three derivational word formation. So when we say word formation, it is a process in which words are created from linguistic um, elements. So we have the first one is the derivational or derivation. We have the word insecure. So insecure is from the root word secure. It uses prefix in or in, which means not, making the root word secure into insecure, which changes the meaning of the word. The second example we have is the word beautiful. Beautiful is from the root word beauty, right? It uses suffix full, which created the new word beautiful. And the last example we have is the word hurting. Hurting is from the root word hurt. This word uses suffix ing, creating the new word hurting. So at this part, let's have the grammar discussion about the song. So in Selena Gomez's song, Who Says, the language is informal and conversational. It uses simple and clear words not to so listeners can easily understand the message the song wants to convey. The grammar is mostly correct, but some lines are written in a relaxed way. This is to make the song sounds natural and emotional rather than formal. So there is also a conversational style uses that is used in the song, like talking directly to the listener by using pronouns such as you and I. So this makes the song feel personal and encouraging. Some expressions are slightly repeated or simplified, which is common in songs. This is to match the rhythm and the melody of the song. Overall, the song uses simple English and correct but relaxed grammar and a friendly tone to inspire and connect with the audience. So because of this activity, I learned to break down sentences properly, to understand their structure, to identify the different parts of speech, and to recognize patterns in word formation. It also made it easier for me to comprehend how grammar functions in actual text and how each word adds meaning to the whole paragraph or to the whole context. So why is grammar important in communication? Grammar is crucial to communication because it enables us to accurately and clearly convey our ideas. It helps prevent misunderstandings in both speaking and writing, and it also enables others to comprehend our message without difficulties. That is it for today's language analysis, guys. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.